Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. To, and this is a C++ programming subject. Okay. Last class, okay, we learned about the rules for operator precedence. Okay. Then there are three rules here. Okay, I wrote down the notes. First, you have to check the parentheses. Okay, you are going to get like this kind of questions, and then these are the equations that you have to solve. Okay, so first you have to check the parenthesis. This is the bracket, and then after that, second you have to go for multiply and divide and multiply. Then the third one is you have to check for plus, addition, or subtraction. Okay, so these are three simple rules. Okay, so when you look at this equation here, okay, so the first thing you have to check is that whether there is a parenthesis or not. Okay, open and close parenthesis. So you have to solve this one first. 2.15 minus 1 is 1.1. Then after this, the next step is you have to solve the multiply and divide and multiply. So when you check here, you have a divide here. Then solve this one first. Then after that, you have all the multiplications are here. You are going to solve 5 multiply with this, multiply with 3. Okay, so you are going to get 17.25. So the last one is going to be the addition and subtraction. Whether it is going to be plus or minus, this is the third one you are going to solve. So the answer is going to be this thing. So the next one is that you have to know about this. This is called modulus here. This sign like a percentage. This is a modulus. Okay, so the answer for this one is you have to take the remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. Okay, so this is a, just take this, is a line, spot length, right? This is the here, you have to take the remainder, okay? So it means that if you see the question like 79, okay, what is the result of the 79? Okay, modulus 7. Okay, so it means that you have to divide 79 divided by 7 first. Then what is the remainder left here? You have to take. This is the answer. Okay, 79 modulus 7. The answer is 2. Okay, what is left? You have to take it. Okay, so go to the next one. This one I already explained in the last class. What is not going? Okay, these are the sum exercises. Okay, we did it last class. Okay, so I just need to. This is, I just have to maybe erase. This is just for the past previous slides. Okay, no problem. I will just close it. Okay, so and here, this is very simple questions. You have only multiplied and plus. So in this case, you have to solve the multiply first because there is no bracket for the first. Okay, then you check whether there is a divide and multiply. So you see multiply here, you have to solve this thing first. Then after that, this plus will be the last one to solve. Okay, some students, they make mistake. Okay, they solve the plus first. This is wrong. Okay, so even this multiply is at the back, you have to solve the multiplication. Okay, and here this is like the first one, there is a bracket. You are going to solve this parenthesis first. Okay, then after that, you have a divide here. You will solve this divide. Then after that, the next stage is that you have a minus and multiply. You will multiply first. Okay, then after that, you are going to minus from here to here. This is the minus or plus is the third one, the last one. So the answer is 17.2. Okay, so these are two modulus example here, 50 modulus 2, Okay, so again 50 you have to divide by 2. You can use the calculator. Okay, so when you use the calculator, after the dot you cannot take it. Okay, so here 2 times 25 will be 50. So what is the left? Remainder is a 0. So the result will be 0. Okay, but in this case, okay, 11 times 9 equal to 99, because if 11 times 10 will be 110, so this one must be always smaller than this one. So we can put only 11 times 9 equal to 99, so the remainder is 10. Okay, so the answer for this one is 10. So whatever left here, whether it is a 0 or this is an integer, okay, so you have to take whatever left is. Okay, so please try to understand, it is very easy. Okay, the next one. Okay, let's see here. This is equality and relational operator. Okay, I believe you already know. Okay, in the foundation you already studied. Okay, so what are these? You already know here, greater than. Okay, x is greater than y, less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, maybe in the mathematics you write like greater than or equal to like this, but in the programming you have to write greater than is here, equal to is there. Okay, so this x is greater than or equal to y, less than or equal to y. This is the equal sign here. Okay, mathematics you just write is x equal to y, but in the programming you have to write the two equal sign. Okay, x is equal to y. Okay, but this is a not equal. And the mathematics you write like this maybe. X is not equal, and here you have to write exclamation mark and then equal. This is called x is not equal to y. Okay, so when you write the program, okay, and the C++, then there will be, the result will be only 1 or 0. Because 1 is if the, this expression is correct, you will get, if the expression is correct, okay, the answer will be 1. If false, the answer will be 0. Okay, only 1 and 0, they will return. So practical link is here. You have to go to this website. Online, just type it www.onlinegdb.com/online, okay, underscore C++ underscore compiler. Okay, so this is the website link, practical website. Okay, so try it on the internet. Okay, we do have a class. Okay, but if you know how to run it on the internet, okay, from your home, you don't have to come to the college for practical session. Okay, so this is the website, as I told you, onlinegdb.com/online underscore C++. We are doing here C++ underscore compiler and then hash. Okay, if you type these things, okay, I will show you, okay, you will see the website over there and then you can run it, the coding, okay. So here, in the C++, you must know that these are the fixed things here. This is the opening of the program. You have to write hash include IO string using namespace std, integer main, okay, parenthesis, and then open. So these are all the program you have to write this line. Okay, this is the opening of the program, opening statement, and then this is a closing. Two things here, return 0 and close. Okay, so this is opening and then this is closing. Inside here is coming. C out, C out. C-O-U-T out means that it is coming, the output. Okay, we have to write C-O-U-T out. So when you run this program, only the hello world is coming because we have to put inside there, okay, double coding. Okay, because this is a string. Don't make mistake. You have to put it inside there, double coding. C out, and then this is a less than 2 sign, and then this is hello world. So when you run this program, okay, only hello world is coming. Okay, this is the introduction about the simple program. Okay, how about in this example? Okay, so there are the equality and okay relation, operator. Okay, we are going to solve here now. Okay, integer x equal to 5, comma y equal to 3. We have a two value here. Integer, you have to know the declaration here. In this case, you don't have to write anything, just hello world and coming. And here, they give the value of the X and Y, okay? Then after that, they are asking you, check the condition. If true, the answer will be 1. If false, the answer will be 0. Okay? So again, these 4 lines here are the same with this thing, and then these things, the last 2 lines is the same thing, okay? But only the inside is, okay, changed here. See out, you will get the output will be hello. And here you have a 2 line because you have to declare the value first. So this integer, these are the integer, int integer, because their value is 5 and 3 here. Okay, so there are 3 types. We usually declare integer, float, and character. Okay, but in here, this stage just go for integer. Okay, because this is 5 are integer. We know. So x, value of x equal to 5, value of y equal to 3. Okay, so then after that they say the cout. Cout means that they are going to come check the output. Okay, whether you have to put inside the bracket here x is greater than y or not. Okay, x is 5 greater than 3. So this condition is true. So when you run this program, your output will be 1 because the true is 1. If the condition, if you write here x less than y, the condition is false, so the answer will be 0. Okay, so then the next one, let's go for the next one. Okay, just okay, so this is another one, logical operator. Okay, so we have an and sign here. This is a and sign, logical and. Okay, and then here these are the all, logical all here. Okay, this is a logical not. Not means just opposite. Okay, so when you write the in the program, you have to write the 2 line here. This and logical and means that you have to check 2 conditions. Both sides must be true. Okay, for example here, we declare the same thing, integer x equal to 5, y equal to 3. So cout, we are going to check the condition, whether x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3, this is true condition because x value is 5, so x is greater than 3, this is correct, true. Then we have to check another one. X is less than 10. X is less than 10, see here, x is less than 10. Again, this is also true condition. So the output is, this side is also correct, this side is also correct. So the output will be 1. Okay, because this is a true. How about and here? This is a logical OR here. 2 line here, logical OR. For logical OR, only one condition should be the true. If one condition is true, okay, the output will be true. But 2 condition is true, also the output will be true. Okay, no need to be both condition to be true. Only one is enough. If one condition is true, the output will be true. Okay, look at here, x equal to 5. Okay, because even though you declare here as only one equal sign, when you write inside the program, you must write double quotation. Double equal sign. X equal to 5. It means that the value of x equal to 5. This condition is true. And then another one, it's written here, x greater than 7. X greater, but this condition is wrong. So even though one condition is wrong because of the OR sign, okay, the output will be the true. Okay, so let's go and run to the compiler. Okay, look at this thing. These are the, you open any browser, okay, and type here www.onlinegdb. Just type online online gdb.com. Okay, / online _ C++ _ compiler. Okay, so if you type this one, this website will be appear. Okay, so this is the online C++ compiler. Okay, so we are going to use the whole semester, okay, to test the coding script here. Okay, so if you don't want to see this part, just do like this. Okay, so these are the coding place. The answer is coming down here. Okay, so what you are going to do, the first thing is that look at the here. From here, slash star and then star slash. These are just a comment. This is not considered, okay? And then you can write it here, your name, your ID, no problem. But you must open this one slash star, slash star, and then star slash. This is a comment, okay? I will cover it next time, okay? Just delete, no needed. So the first line is there, include IO_string, okay? Like I used to, okay? Just the first example. This is the example 1, okay? So you don't have to be, if you don't want to put the space also, no problem, okay? Even if you want to go to here also, no problem. It's up to you how you want to, okay, write the program. So I don't if you want to have a space also, no problem. So as I say, these 4 lines will be the same thing for all the program. You have to know. And then these 2 lines are closing. Okay, so what is here is inside written. After this is output. See out means the output is coming. Okay, so for declaration and everything, okay, you have to write it inside here. So and here but there is only simple things. Okay, hello world. See out. They want the output to be the hello world. Okay, make sure you put inside here double quotation, and then at the end you have to put the semicolon. So now you click here run, R-U-N, run, the green one, run. When you click the run, okay, see, hello world is coming. Okay, so this is a very simple introduction. Okay, so let's go for the next one. We declare the integer x and y. Okay, so this is we declare the integer x and y. If you want to put the space, no problem. If you want to put the space, because these are the, all program has the same, this line, all program has the same, only this thing now. Because the reason here is that I have a value of x equal to 5, y has a 3. These are the integer. Okay, and then output wants you to check whether is it there, this condition is true or not. If true, the result will be 1. If false, the result will be 0. Okay, x greater than y. Okay, this is the x greater than y. Okay, it is a true condition, right? So x is a 5, is greater than 3. This is a true condition. So when you run here, see, the result is 1 here because it is a true. Okay, so let's change. If I just put it like x less than y. So the condition is wrong here because 5 is less than 3. This is the condition is wrong. So when you run here, see it is a 0 because it is a false statement, so it is a 0. So you can test for all the things, equality and whatever it is. Okay, so you can test everything here. Okay, so how about the logical operator? Okay, so the other slides, let's see. Okay, this is a logical operator here. Value of x equal to 5, y equal to 3. So we are going to check this condition. Whether x is greater than 3, x is greater than 3, the condition is correct. Okay, x is less than 10. The condition is correct. Okay, so both conditions are correct. So when you run here, the answer will be 1. Okay, so if, for example, let's say, I will say here x equal to, x is greater than 3, okay, and then another one, y, okay, is, okay, equal to 10. So now here, the first condition is true, but the second condition say that y equal to 10, the value of y equal to 10, but this is wrong. So the first is correct, the second is wrong. So end here, logical end, both condition must be true. But if 1 is not true, then the answer will be false. So you will get it 0 here. Run it here. And see 0. Okay, so this is the false condition. So you can play around and then see over there, okay, how it is going to be the result. Okay, so let's see for the second statement. Okay, the second, okay, another example for this logical statement is that it is written or here. This is a or here logical. The value of x is 5. But again, x is greater than 7. X is greater than 7. This is a wrong statement. But 1 is true. If 1 is true, then the logical, okay, or, okay, so the answer will be true. Only 1 need to be true. Run it here. See, the answer is 1. It makes it true because this condition is true. Okay, so how about the n here? If I change to the another one, okay, y is, okay, greater than 7. But this condition is false now. Y is greater than 7. It is false. But again, okay, x is true. But I can put it x here. X is, okay, maybe less than 5. It is condition true. See, the value of x is less than 5. It is true. Okay, x equal to 5, so less than 5, it is true. Okay, but y greater than 7. This condition is wrong because y is less than 7 supposed to. So, but one condition is true, still the answer will be true here. Run it. It is a false. Why? It is a not true here. Less than 5 is okay. Why? It is not the less than 5. The value, maybe we can change here less than 6. See, less than 6 means the value is 5. So less than 6, maybe the answer will be 1 here, the condition. Okay, now it's 1. Because less than 5, I cannot write it because the value is already 5. So we have to put less than 6. So it means that the value is 5. So just try it. For logical or, okay, you need to be only one condition should be, true here. Okay, so let's see. Let's go for other. Okay. So these are some of the rules that when you are going to declare the variable. Okay, just now we have like x, y. These are called the variable. Okay, these are the rules. Okay, the variable, when you declare, it should be alphanumeric character. Alphanumeric means what? Alpha means the ABCD, big ABCD, small ABCD. Numerics are 0, 1, 2, 3 until 9. Okay, this is called alphanumeric character. And then underscore, only underscore is allowed. There is no other things. Dash is not allowed. Other things, question mark is not allowed. So you have to know when you are going to declare, you can include all only this thing. A, big A, or capital A, small a, until Z, and then 0, 1, 2, 3 until 9, and then underscore. Okay, so other than this, you cannot use other things. Okay, just now we have X and Y. These are called variable, but you can write it like, for example, money. You can declare money, name. Okay, you can declare like that. Okay, or number 1, number 2, something like this. Okay, instead of X and Y, you can write it that number 1, number 2, or integer 1, integer 2, because integers, int each here is an alpha, ABCD, 1 is from here. Okay, so this is how you have to do. You can include only these things. Okay, variable name cannot start with a number. What does this mean? Okay, and here, see, 40 hours. You cannot write like this. This is invalid statement. Okay, you should write there, okay, this alphabet for hours 40. You can declare like this, hours 40, because you cannot start with a number. So you have to write like this. This is hours 40. You must put the 40 at the back. Okay, or you can write it like this, 40, and then you can put it here, underscore hours. Okay, you cannot start with 40. Okay, these are the wrong, this is correct name. Okay, variable names are case sensitive. Okay, so when you declare MALK mark, okay, when you output, you must write this small letter. Okay, if you write the change to the capital letter, the program will give you error. Okay, so this is called case sensitive. The variable name, okay, so whatever you declare, if you write the capital letter, when you output, you say that, okay, you have to write capital letter. Whatever you declare, whether you declare capital letter, then you have to write capital. If you write the small letter, you have to write the small letter. Okay, so this is case sensitive. Okay, and variable name can be assigned using the value equal sign. So this is the just now I declare x equal to 5, y equal to, okay, 10, y equal to 3. This is like that. Okay, so these are other things here. This is the dash is not allowed here. Only underscore is allowed. If you don't want to put underscore, write together. Okay, this dollar sign is not allowed also. Other symbols are not allowed. Only underscore is allowed, like question mark or hash. These are not allowed, okay, for declaration. These are the some rules that you have to do. There are 4 rules here. Okay, these are the explanation. Okay, so when you declare, you have to understand these things. Okay, so the next one is a data type. Okay, so you have to know about this data type. Okay, so and here, okay, sometimes they ask about this integer value. Okay, an integer, short integer, these are the minus is the minimum value, and then this plus is maximum value. Then they ask what is the minimum values of short integer, or they simply call integer. Okay, so minimum value is minus, okay, 32768 here. The value is different here. This is an 8, this is the 7. This is the minus is minimum value, this plus is maximum value. Okay, so if they ask the question, what is the value of short, what is the minimum value of short integer? Minus 3276. What is the maximum value of short integer? You have to write plus 3276. Okay. Then other things, these are the bigger number. I don't want you to memorize. So float, what is a float? What is the difference between integer and float? Integers are like the without decimal, 5, 10, 100, 1,000. But float are the floating point. This is like, for example, 5.99, 5.0, 10.5. If you have a 0.4 after the decimal, this is called the floating. Okay, so in the programming, we are going to declare integer. Just now you already know integer, int, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Okay, so if we declare the float, it is like, for example, float, 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 x equal to 5.5, okay, y equal to 3.12, something like this. Okay, after that, if decimal is there, we are going to use the float. How about the Boolean? BOOL, bool is called Boolean. It has only 2 values, whether they're true or false. Okay, just now we already run logic true or false. Okay, this is only you have a 2 value. And then these are the very important character. What is a character? Mean A, B, C, D, not only A, B, C, D, only one inside here. Big A, small a, but you have to put the single quotation here. Only one single quotation. Okay? And then this dollar sign, if you put dollar sign inside the single quotation, this is considered as a character. Here, see, you have a space only. Open, one space, close, this is also considered as a character. Here, 8. If you write only 8, this is an integer. But if you are going to put inside the single quotation, this becomes the character. So please be careful. These are called digits. Okay? If 8 integer is equal to 8, that is correct. But if you are going to put inside here, this becomes character. Okay, so be careful about this declaration. How about the string? Strings are more than one. For example, if like AB, if you are going to put more than one, it becomes string. Now here C++, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 character. So you have to put the double quotation. See, double quotation. And here only single quotation. Okay, and here you have double quotation because more than one things here. Okay, computer science or your name, Ahmad. okay, or C++ programming. Whatever you write, okay, more than one, you have to put the double quotation. This is called the string. Okay, and here you didn't write anything, but this is a space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 space here. So open, space, and then open, close. So that's why this is considered as a string here. And here only you have one space. So that's why this is a character. But and here you have maybe 5 space. So that's why this is considered as a string. So this data type you have to understand. Okay. So I will just stop it here. Okay. Then next I will record second part. Thank you.